So guys, we are just before Khed. So guys, we are back on the track again. We have changed the GoPro battery. We are entering the Khed city, and I think I will not record on GoPro continually. I will only record for 2-3 minutes, then I will stop. Then I will record 2-3 minutes, then I will stop, because continuity recording is getting a toll on this GoPro battery. I don't know what happened to the other battery. It's just get bloated all of a sudden continue recording. And also that I wanted that there will be clouds in the sky. So God has blessed me right now with clouds, and the heat has been stopped. It is feeling relieving, especially for me, because I'm traveling on bike, and the afternoon heat of sun rays is taking a toll on my camera. Not me, I'm strong build. I think there is a diversion here. And right now we are in the Bose Ghat. Never heard of this ghat before. A small ghat, I think, around Khed. And ahead we will be going from the Parshuram Ghat also. So it is far from here. So the next stop will be Chiploon, which is I think just 20 minutes more or less. Oh, what a sharp turn. Bimba bambi bombo bom, bimba bambi bombo bom. Sharp inclined turn. Wow, there is a cart road there, but I can't see from here. Bose Ghat, I love you. You are super beautiful. You can, wow, what a ghat. I can touch this ghat from my bare hands. Hello Ghat, how are you? So no one to talk. I am talking about myself. My name is Sikand Jagtap, and I am working corporate as a analyst, and I aim to become a data analyst in future, and I will become, and my efforts will not go to waste. But I am also a part-time YouTuber. You can see the views from the mirror, very beautiful views behind, but I can't stretch my head behind. I can show you the views on the right side, very scenic. So Chiploon is around 28 kilometers from here. So let's see, I will meet you in Chiploon. Very beautiful roads until we are reaching Chiploon. I wish I could come in monsoon. Let's see if Rakesh invites me, or if I can go again solo. What a road, what a view of the road, what a bend of the road. So we are still before Chiplun, heading towards. Oh, this is a Parshuram Ghat. Oh my God, we are in the Parshuram Ghat, guys. This is the Parshuram Ghat and that is the river. I think that is the river Vaishisht. Oh my God. Look at the graceful mountains. Look at the Konkan, guys. This is such a beauty. I thought this ghat wouldn't provide me some beautiful views, but as you can see, very beautiful views from here. I think while coming I shall wait here and see these views. Super amazing views. Views are great, guys. If I get a chance to U-turn, I will go behind. Let's see if I get a chance. And that is the Chiplun, I guess. Hello guys, we are right now in the Parshuram Ghat. I think I have to go around 157 kilometers from here, and it is showing 3.5 hours. It will take I think 4.5 hours I think. But let's see how it goes. So right now we are descending Parshuram Ghat, and we will be passing through Chiplun, and the next stop will be Sangameshwar. I guess I haven't checked the map yet, but the next stop would be probably Sangameshwar. And with this, I think while I reach Chiplun, I think more than half of our journey has been completed, and more than half of our journey is still remaining, and still we have a long way to go. I'm going slow as compared to I should have, and it's also I have been a little late on my journey. I started this journey by 10, and right now I am in Chiplun, half of the way. 6 hours I have completed, I think around 160 kilometers roughly. And I stopped sometimes in between. I think that took my almost 45 minutes or maybe 1 hour. So 5 hours of journey for 160 kilometers till now. If I go continually, I will reach by 7, but that I won't do because I have to also vlog the beautiful parts, and next time I will visit, then I will not shoot everything. And this time is my first time in Konkan. Very tiring. I think I should need take a break and eat something. Palam Basti village is 3 kilometers, Savardi village is 20 kilometers, Goa is 351, very much ahead. Chalo, I think we are in Chiplun area only, Chiplun region overall. And we have to trail straight ahead. So I guess I have left Chiplun behind, and I am on my way towards Sangameshwar. Yo, where kabutar? So far so good. The energy has been drained down. I think I should have to wait for something to eat. I don't know, should I stop here or should I stop ahead? Let's see, we'll stop on a dhaba or something. We will eat and continue the rest of the journey, or we can continue like this only without any food. So overall journey is I think around 150 kilometers, less than more. If I stop here, I think my half an hour will be gone. So I think I will not stop here, and I will move ahead. And I think I should stop in Sangameshwar. As you can see, this is the beauty of Konkan. Konkan, 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 Konkan. Yo. The road after Mangaon is like this only till here. Buttery smooth. I've never expected I would have come so early, and with such good enthusiasm, because the roads are very good to ride, and the views are pretty scenic. The views have no doubt to argue, but the roads are good. At least a biker can ride even in the night time. Wow, yeah, this is the beauty, guys. This is the beauty I want to show the world, because I have followers from around the world. I am international. I am not a national player. Actually, I have been started my vlogging journey in English, but I thought that who will listen English, but I think English is a common language everyone knows around the world. So I thought that using this language would be a better thing. Also, yes, Hindi is spoken, but not around the world. So guys who are watching from around the world, you should come to India and ride in Konkan. You will love riding here. The roads are good right now, but let's see what will be the condition post monsoon. I have no idea.